got to talk to them, huh? I mean, they got a pulse? Can they fog up a mirror? Oh, it's a girl. Is she hot? You guys, you're killing me. All I know is if they can spell car, hire them. You know, you're going to hire 10 anyways. 2 will stick. We'll call them both spaghetti and call it a day. Speaking of which, who's the DMC kid? Can he spell car? Can you spell car, kid? Close enough for me. Hired!
Maybe you were just looking in the wrong places.
So AutoMax Recruiting's full dealership staffing solution is more like this.
With AutoMax, you'll be pushing the hire button in no time.
A lot has changed. Over the last 23 years, AutoMax Recruiting has become the leading staffing solution for auto dealerships across the country. When you add together their sophisticated and proprietary software, along with their data mining abilities from Indeed, ZipRecruiter, LinkedIn, and their very own database of a massive amount of applicants over the years, and you put that together with their SEO-optimized job templates, AutoMax Recruiting can deliver you candidates quicker, faster, easier, and more efficient than any other recruiter in the country. They've got a full dealership staffing solution that starts at only $8.95 a month. So reach out to my friends at AutoMax Recruiting about their full dealership staffing solution. And remember, some things haven't changed. DMC, where's my coffee?